Alright, look here, people of America. Let me turn this shit around. Oh, wrong way. Yeah. Look here, America. What, nigga?
Oh, nothing.
This nigga got a motherfucking crook in his neck. So I'm finna go in here and pop that shit off this nigga.
I know you talking crazy. I hear you.
I'm finna go pop that shit out. I'm finna go pop that shit off this nigga. Just watch. I'm finna fuck him up. Oh, shit, damn. I done hit my motherfucking self. I thought that's what I'm finna do to this nigga and shit. Ain't that a bitch? Nigga, I slapped. Oh, damn. Nigga, yeah, cut it off.
Yeah, I told you he was missing it.
I slapped my motherfucking slap and shit. Trying to save my fingers to this nigga and shit. Ain't that a bitch?
Sit up here talking crazy and shit.
Ain't that a